Pig here. How's everyone doing? I'm glad to hear you're doing good. Are my dinos ready for some more new worksheet videos? Just remember, there's a link provided below the video for your parents to help you print out the worksheet so we can do it together. If you can't print out the worksheet, don't worry, just follow along. I'm just glad you joined me today for a brand new worksheet video. My dinos are the best. I know we always talk about climate change. Have you noticed because of the stay-at-home order that the sky is more blue than usual and you can see buildings from far, far away? Isn't that amazing? Keep up the good work, dinos. Are you ready for our new worksheet video? Okay, let's go. First, grab your favorite color crayon and write your name. Today, I'm choosing a light brown. What color are you choosing, Dino? I love that color. Your letters are looking amazing. Are my dinos ready to read the instructions? Rainbow, you, what do you see? I see a rainbow unicorn staring at me. Let's read it one more time. Rainbow, you, what do you see? I see a rainbow unicorn staring at me. What does it say to color the U? Rainbow, you. That's right, rainbows! Oh, dinos, I'm so happy. I love rainbow. Here's a rainbow U on the side just so you can have a reference if you don't know what color to color next, okay? First, I'm starting with the color red. The next color is orange. Okay, dinos, trick question. What fruit can you name that is a color orange? That's right, orange. Great job, dinos. I thought I could trick you. Okay, the next color we are going to color is yellow. Can anyone tell me a fruit that is the color yellow? That's right, a banana! The next color we're coloring is green. Can anyone tell me a vegetable that's the color green? Wait, did I hear broccoli? Or a cucumber? Well, that's right, dinos. You guessed it. The next color we're using is blue. Can anyone tell me a fruit that is the same color as blue? It starts with blue. Great job! Did you say blueberry? That's right, dinos. The next color we're coloring is purple. Can anyone tell me a fruit that is the color purple? Did someone say grapes? Great job! I'm so proud of you, dinos. The last color we're coloring is red, the same color as we started, because we went full circle with the rainbows. Great job, dinos. Your rainbow U looks amazing. What do you think we're going to color the unicorn? It says, I see a rainbow unicorn staring at me. That's right, rainbow. Don't you love that the unicorn flies across? Here's a unicorn on the side of the screen just in case you need a reference. I'm coloring the hooves blue and green. You can color the unicorn any color as long as you use all the colors. I'm coloring the horn of the unicorn yellow. I'm coloring his whole mouth and nose pink. What color are you coloring it, dinos? Oh, that's such a great color. I should use it next time. For the ears, I'm going to color it red and the inside pink. And what color did you decide to use? Oh wow, that's a strong color. I'm making the tail a light blue. What do you think of that, dinos? Aw, thanks, my dinos. You're so sweet. Last but not least, I'm going to color a little rainbow on the side of the unicorn. With every single color I used to color the U. The last two colors I'm going to use is blue and purple to finish off the rainbow. What do you think of it, dinos? Aw, thanks, dinos. I knew you'd like it. Now for the background. It's my favorite part. You know why? Because you dinos could draw anything your imagination tells you to draw. For my imagination, it tells me to draw clouds. I'm going to make it look like so the unicorn is in clouds. What are you drawing, dinos? Oh, that sounds awesome. Whoa, dinos, check out the rainbow U and the rainbow unicorn. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!